I needed custom share buttons with analytics for my WordPress sites, but every plugin was either too bloated or missing features I wanted. So I asked Claude AI to build me exactly what I needed. In 15 minutes, I had a working plugin with analytics dashboard, and I'll show you the complete process, including the errors we fixed together. Instead of installing another heavy plugin with features I don't need, I decided to build my own using Claude AI assistance. This isn't just a tutorial. This is me actually building something I'll use on my sites. You'll see the real prompts, the actual errors, and how we debug together. What you'll learn: my exact Claude AI prompts for WordPress plugins, how to use code snippets plugin for development, real debugging process when things break, and creating custom analytics without external services. First, let me show you my Claude AI prompt template. I've refined this over multiple projects to get exactly what I need. Don't worry, you will get all the prompts for free with a detailed guide on my blog. So for now, stay focused with the concept. Now, I'm telling Claude exactly what I want. Just add what you want this plugin to do, whether an admin panel is needed or not, if front-end features are needed, and what about the database. Also, please add the plugin name and relevant prefix. This is very important. Always ask to give several questions to ensure Claude fully understands what you need. See how Claude asks clarifying questions? This is crucial. Never skip this step. I'm answering these questions based on what I actually need for my sites. Claude's generating the plugin, and it hits the token limit. This happens with complex plugins. I just ask it to continue. Perfect. Now I have the complete CV Social Share Pro plugin code. Copy the code and go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to the code snippet plugin. If you don't have a code snippets plugin, go to plugins, add new, search for WP code. It's free and reliable. Once installed, go to code snippets, add snippet, custom snippet, PHP snippet. I'm pasting our generated code, giving it a descriptive name and activating it. And our plugin is live. Let's see what we got. Let's check our new plugin settings. And there's our new menu item, social share settings. Oops, there's an error. Don't panic. This is normal in real development. This is exactly why I show you the complete process. I'm copying this error and heading back to Claude. I'll also give it the line number for better context. See how I explain the problem clearly? Claude needs context to help effectively. Claude identified the issue and provided the corrected code. Let's update our snippet, save, and let's test again. Perfect. Now our admin panel works. Look at these options: platform selection, button positioning, share counts, and styling options. Let's see how it looks on a post. No share buttons visible. Time for some detective work. Here's a pro tip. Always check the browser console when something doesn't work. Look, there's a 404 error for our CSS file. The plugin is trying to load CSS from a path that doesn't exist. Back to Claude with this specific error. Claude's fixing the CSS loading method, and here's the updated code. Let's test once more. Look at that. Beautiful share buttons exactly where we want them. Let's try different positions. I'm changing to above content. Perfect positioning. Now let's try the floating left option. Exactly what I wanted. Clean, customizable, and working perfectly. And here's the best part. Our analytics dashboard. We can see shares by platform, top shared posts, and recent activity. No external services, no data sent elsewhere. Everything stored in our WordPress database. In about 15 minutes, we built a custom WordPress plugin with Claude AI that does exactly what we need. Custom share buttons for any platforms we choose. Multiple positioning options. Built-in analytics dashboard. No bloated features we don't need. And completely free. Key takeaways. Use specific prompts with Claude AI for better results. Always test in a development environment first. Debugging is part of the process. Don't skip it. Code snippets plugins make testing WordPress code safe and easy. One important note, don't rely completely on AI. Try to understand at least the basic concepts. Every project is a learning opportunity. Drop a comment with what WordPress plugin you'd like to build next. I'll use Claude AI to create it and share the complete process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build session.